Hello friends, in this video we will see how you can download Oracle's Virtualbox in Windows machine. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to search Virtualbox in the Chrome browser, and then you have to click on this downloads on the first link. So after clicking on this download, a page like this will open. I'll also provide the link of this page in the description. So after that, we have to click on this Windows host. That is because we have to download the VirtualBox into the Windows machine. So the current version of the VirtualBox is 6.1.26. So we have to click on this Windows host. So after clicking on it, you will see one download will start in the downloads. So actually I've downloaded it before that to save the time. So it will download like this, and it will come into your downloads folder. So after the completion of download, you have to double click on it. So it will start installing. So of a page pop up like this will open. We have to click next on it, and the location of the installation is shown here, that is program files Oracle VirtualBox. So here also you have to click next, and after that it will show what it will do. That is, it will create a start menu entry, it will create a shortcut on the desktop, it will create a shortcut in the quick launch bar, and it will register the file association. So if you don't want anything of it, you can untick it, but actually we want everything of it, so we will keep it as it is and we'll click on the next. And after that we have to say yes to the installation, and after that we have to say one more time yes. So it one pop-up will open where it will say if you want to allow changes to the device. So here also you have to say yes, and here you will see the status bar of the installation. After the completion of the status bar installation, the installation will complete and you can launch the VM. So here you will see installation is completed, and it is saying that we have to start the VirtualBox after the completion of installation. So if you say finish and keep this tick as it is, so it will launch the VirtualBox. So here you will see the VirtualBox is installed completely, and this is how you can install VirtualBox in the Windows machine. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos like this.